Hello WordPress nerds. So in this video we are going to set up a Next.js app. So in previous video we talked about installing WordPress and REST APIs, and here is the video. So I would suggest you watch this playlist from the scratch, and if you know what you are doing, then just continue watching. So this is going to be a second video for building headless WordPress web app using Next.js. So what you will need to set up a Next.js app. So first of all, you will need Node.js, which should be greater than 10.13 version, and another one will be the terminal. So we will be running some commands for that into the terminal. And the node you can get from here. You can install it. Yeah, whatever the latest version is there, you can install it. And this is the nextjs.org, from where I am learning the basics. Now let's set up a basic app. So yeah, you should start learning by clicking on this learn button, and you should go through all this. In this they gave some basic of React, quick overview of React and React to Next.js. But for this, I'm jumping into this create a Next.js app in the setup. So I already downloaded Node.js, and now after downloading the Node.js, just run this command. So yeah, this command. So let's look into this command. It is npx create next app latest. This will be a folder name. So I'm gonna call it Headless WP. Then use npm, and this will be the example. So this is kind of a basic template for the learner. So we are going to use that only. And even if you don't add this stuff, this will also work. It will set up a basic Next.js app, but let's keep things simple. So this is a very simple starting folder or starting theme, you can say, for the Next.js app. So I'm gonna copy this, and I will run inside my WordPress root repo. This you can install anywhere. It has nothing to do with this WordPress setup. It will be independent repo, but I want to have everything inside this VS Code. So I'm gonna install that into my WordPress root folder. Again, you can install this anywhere you want. That's okay. So I'm gonna run this command, enter. So it will take some time to set up our app. So as you can see, the headless WP folder has been generated, and it will create some pages, folders, and yeah, of course, node modules, because this is Node.js. So let's wait for the installation. So it is installed the repo. Now you can see that list of commands it gives. So this command npm run dev to start development server. So if you are working on local, you have to use this command. Then npm run build to make app production ready. Npm start to build an app. So now we have to go to this folder. So let's go inside this folder. And now we have to run this command npm run dev. So it will start the server. Once it is ready, we will be able to access this URL. So yeah, server has been started successfully. Now let's try to access this site, and it is running on port 3000, and my WordPress is running on port 8888. So it won't conflict. This site will run, and this will also run. So as you can see, our basic app is installed. Now let me open another terminal, and sorry, and I just want to show you running this command without our starter theme. So default Next.js, let's say we give the folder name default Next.js, and let's see what we will get inside this. So it will ask some prompt, so let's hit enter without changing anything, and it will create a folder same as the previous one. So while this installing, let's observe our folder. So sorry, not this one. So headless WP. So inside you will see .next and node modules. So these are some dependencies which we will need to run Next.js app. So yeah, we don't need to worry about this. This is automatically generated, same as this. So the thing we need to focus on is this pages folder, and inside pages we see this index.js. So this is the entry point of our site. So whatever we are seeing on this page is coming from this index.js. Then inside public folder there are assets, then styles, we will have style. Then this is package.json or JSON, whatever you pronounce. Yeah, we have dependencies. So Next is dependent on React and React DOM with their versions. So that's that, and yeah, that's it. I mean, that's the only thing we need to take care of. So now our new app is installed. with some warnings, but we can ignore it anyways. So let's go to this default Next.js. If you notice, we did not get the command suggestion in this. So now let's go to this default Next.js. Let's run npm run dev for this. So it will. So if you notice that now this is running on 3001 port because our previous app is running on 3000 port. So now this is also ready, and now let me show you that. So this is kind of similar, but this is a simpler version, and this is a bit advanced, and it will have a big longer code base than this one. So as we are learning, we should start with the simple one. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that what you will get by default and what you get with the starter template. So yeah, now we don't need this, so I'm gonna stop this process. So to stop this server, we have to press Ctrl C, and let me get back and let me remove this. We should remove unnecessary stuff. So we are deleting this. So it is now deleted, and let's close this. And now we are back to our headless WP simple Next.js app. Now let's try to edit something. So here we see a text, welcome to Next.js, and as I explained that the entry point is inside the pages index.js, and here we see this welcome to, which is this. So now let's change something. So before changing this, I would like to show you something. So I'm gonna make this screen side by side, and I'm going to change this text. And I'm gonna save this changes. So as you can see, we did not have to refresh the page, it automatically get refreshed. So this is called fast refresh. So yeah, Next.js will update only that portion which is updated, other thing will keep as it is. And yeah, so let's get back to the bigger screen, and yeah, we tried to change something. Now let's try to observe what is there. So it's okay if you don't know the React, but yeah, you should know the at least syntax or what React does actually. So here you see that we are importing head component. This is called component. So it is similar to HTML head, but with the improvisation of Next.js. So whatever you want to add inside head tag, you can actually add over here like this. So as you can see, we have a title tag here, and if we observe that here is the title tag, create next step. So let me make changes. So as you can see, it is changed over here. So HTML and body tag will generated automatically, and this is the head tag we created. Then next is the main tag. So these tags we can give whatever we want, same as the HTML tag, but observe the class name. So in HTML we just simply add class like this, but the attribute in the React and Next.js for class will be class name equal to this style dot title. This is they actually added dynamic. We can add this as a static as well, but let's keep this as it is. So this style we are importing from this CSS. So this will be similar to object, and it will read or fetch the data from this styles home module.css. And if we can see that style.container, that means the class name will be style, class name will be container. Yeah, so similarly, if you see the style.title, that means the class name will be title like this. So if I can show you that, so main h1, so inspect this. So inside main we have h1, and we got this style title. I'm not sure why. It should, okay, yeah, I think I changed something. Yeah, let me refresh this, and yes, so this h1 has this class home title styles. Okay, yeah, it is. Yeah, I'm not sure how um, they are displaying the class name, but yeah, so the styling will be applied based on this main h1. So title, yeah, so in the title margin 001 rem. So yeah, margin 001 rem. Yeah, so the class name will displays kind of, I'm not sure how the class name is displaying, but the styling will apply based on this. So if we write styles dot title, it will apply the style with this title like this. So yeah, I think it will generate it using this build what we run over here inside this. Yeah, by the compiling. But yeah, yeah, we don't need to worry about that. We just need to know that how the styles are applied. So yeah, this is the basic app, and yeah, if you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.